Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm excited to tell you what this month and next month's challenges are that I do each month with Dory's Dollies. Thank you, Dory. We do each month Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th every month, Hi Barbie on the 18th every month, and Amaya Raine Day on the 3rd of each month every month. And all of the times are the same. Upload your video on those dates at 10 a.m. Central. And we have some fun things. We really do. For Dolls Gone Goth and for Hi Barbie, this month is DIY. If you remember, I slipped up and said it wrong last month. I got ahead of myself, and I apologize to Dory and everybody, and I'm sorry I messed up. But it is DIY, and that is anything at all. Dolls Gone Goth, you can use any doll that you want. Hi Barbie, actually, you can use any doll you want, but surely we all have Barbies. Any size, any doll, any Barbie. Anybody from the Barbie family, actually. Next month is July 3rd, will be the day before 4th of July in the United States of America. In July, typically, people wear red, white, and blue. So that's what we're going to do for Amaya Raine, and that is anything red, white, and or blue. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by Dory's channel, and when you upload your videos, I want to add something. When you go watch other people, put in their comments, everybody that does the challenge, that you too have a video so that we can all go and watch. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. Oh, and I wanted to say about Amaya Raine, any shadow high or rainbow high that you would like to use, not just Amaya. Thank you for watching.